Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the future of digital marketing and giving you a sneak peek of what to expect in 2023. So, let's get started. First up, we have the rise of artificial intelligence. AI will play a significant role in transforming the way we do marketing. From chatbots that provide instant customer support to personalized ad targeting, AI technology will revolutionize the industry. Next, video marketing will continue to be the king of content. With the growing popularity of platforms like TikTok and Instagram Reels, short-form videos will dominate the digital landscape. So, get ready to create engaging, bite-sized content that captures your audience's attention. Social media will also undergo some exciting changes. As new platforms emerge, marketers need to keep an eye on where their target audience spends their time. It's essential to adapt your social media strategy accordingly and be open to exploring new avenues. Customer experience will take center stage in 2023. As consumers' expectations continue to rise, businesses must focus on delivering personalized and seamless experiences. From personalized content recommendations to chatbots that understand customer needs, the emphasis will be on creating memorable interactions. Influencer marketing isn't going anywhere either. Collaborating with influencers who align with your brand values will remain a powerful way to reach your target audience. However, it's crucial to prioritize authenticity and transparency to maintain trust with your audience. Now, let's talk about data privacy. With increasing concerns around data security, businesses need to be transparent about how they handle customer information. Building trust through data privacy practices will be key to establishing strong relationships with your audience. Finally, voice search will continue to gain traction. As more people rely on smart speakers and voice assistants, optimizing your content for voice search will be essential. Consider incorporating long-tail keywords and structuring your content in a way that aligns with how people speak. That's it for our glimpse into the future of digital marketing in 2023. Stay ahead of the curve and adapt to these trends to drive success for your business. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting updates.